Rhinoplasty has a lot of different descriptors. Some people will refer to it as a rhinoplasty. You might also hear it described as a nose job. But in general, rhinoplasty is coming from the Greek term rhino being nose, plastic meaning the movement of tissue, and essentially it is the ability or the process of changing the shape of one's nose. I'm Dr. Anthony E. Brisset. I am a facial plastic surgeon here at Houston Methodist Hospital. 15 or 20 years ago, concepts of beauty were more catered and or focused on Western or European identities and values. We were seeing a lot of cultural patients that sought rhinoplasty have a transformation in relationship to race and cultures. This term ethnic rhinoplasty has gained more popularity. And what it really means is recognizing the uniqueness of one's race, ethnicity, or culture, and how that might play into their nasal shape, their facial shape, and also their concepts of beauty. Plastic surgery in general, as well as facial plastic surgery, is really a blend of art and science. We look at some of the scientific aspects in relationship to metrics and measurements. However, there's also that concept of balance and harmony. It's balancing the appearance of the nose with the aesthetics of the lips, as well as the roundness or shape of the face, and then also as it relates to their cultural uniqueness as well. I'm working on a project right now which involves artificial intelligence, which allows us to make avatars of unlimited numbers. And then we can probe our specialists and experts and identify what they think and what consumers think would be kind of the optimal aesthetic appearance. For patients that have had cultural transformation, I have a concept of cultural restoration. We can work to restore some of those unique features that define them, define their race, define their culture, while still maintaining balance and harmony. I think that there is a greater level of comfort for patients of ethnic descent that are seeking rhinoplasty surgery, that they will be recognized as being unique in relationship to their appearance and features. They will be celebrated in relationship to being unique, and then understood in relationship to preserving one's appearance and preserving one's form and function as well.